What if I told you there's a bird that can fly backward? Meet the hummingbird, the smallest bird on Earth. Some are as small as a human thumb.
But don't underestimate them. They are incredibly powerful.
Their wings beat up to 80 times per second.
That's faster than almost any bird alive.
And yes, they can fly backward too.
Their heart beats over 1,200 times per minute.
To survive, they must eat almost constantly.
They drink nectar using their long, specialized tongues.
And they help flowers by pollinating them.
Despite their size, they travel thousands of kilometers.
Some migrate farther than many large birds.
At night, they enter a deep sleep called torpor.
Their body slows down to save energy.
Nature made them tiny, but extraordinary.
Follow for more amazing wildlife secrets.